Alright, y'all, so today's unboxing is this Hampton Bay 52-inch Rothley 2 indoor ceiling fan in the bronze finish. So, let's begin. Open it up. I bought this yesterday, and I'll be putting it in tomorrow. It's in the living room where the Hampton Bay Antigua is, because the Antigua's been up there for 14 years and it went kaput 2 days ago. So I'll be replacing this. Hopefully we can get more than 14 years out of this, but we'll just see, right? Let me turn this fan on in this room here. It's been a muggy day. So, you have your blades in the top. Oh, I didn't do a top view. So you have your blades. There's the one that's running. It's not going anywhere. It's not an Antigua. Just has the light. So there's the blades, one side and the other. There's that. Then we have the canopy with the mounting bracket pre-installed. 3 of the blade arms. And the other 2, well, this may be the 3 since these have a rubber band around them. Yeah, this is 3, and that's 2. These have the AccuArm blades on them. Then you have the nice long down rod. I don't know why they gave such a long one with this, but... And then the light kit. This is a very standard Hampton Bay situation. Then the light bulbs. In the bottom, you have your plastic bowl. You can see here, plastic. Try to get the most noise. See? Just a plastic piece. And then the motor. Ventless motor, which I like those. Stuck in there. There it is. There's the top shot of the motor and the bottom. There it is. Put this back in real quick. The wiring back in its thing. We'll also be running a new Romex to the fan, because if you saw the Antigua video, it's all burnt out, so we'll be running a new wire to it as well. Why? I'm still not sure, but this is my house, so I'm assuming just do it all that way. The old wires won't fail, requiring me to take the fan down again. Get the bowl back in there, right? There it is. Hold on. Okay. Never done a reboxing video. Always a first. Blade brackets. Canopy, light kit, down rod, blades. Oop, okay. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the 52-inch Rothley 2 indoor ceiling fan in the bronze finish. It says it's an LED ceiling fan. Don't get caught up on that word LED. It takes light bulbs. The only reason it says LED is because it came with LED light bulbs. And it looks very similar to the one in this bedroom. So, great match. And we've always liked bowl lights, because they don't let the light out like a the other lights do, where it's got the globes that come down on 3, 4, even 5 angles. So anyway, there you go. And I don't know if I'll be installing it or not. My cousin's brother, I say that because my cousin is married to, okay, it's my cousin's brother-in-law, is helping. He's a licensed electrician, so he'll be running the wire, and I'll be up there as well running wires, and figured if there's 2 of us we could get more done. So anyway, I don't know if I recorded or not, but there's that for the video. This is my aunt's bedroom. This is a 44-inch Hunter that I just pieced together. I let my aunt come to my shop when she got this room, and I renovated it, and I said, pick out all the parts you want, and I'll build you a fan. So she did, and this is how she wanted it. Anyway, bye.